Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to take a moment and discuss the pros and cons of buying versus leasing. And either one could make more sense for you based on your driving habits, the vehicle you want, and a number of other considerations. So when you buy a car, pretty straightforward. You either cut a check or make monthly payments on a vehicle for a set amount of time with a set payment until there's no balance left and you own the car outright and you get the title sent to you in the mail. When you lease the car, conversely, you have a fixed monthly payment that you make for 2, 3, or 4 years, and at the end of that period of time, you just hand the car back. Now, with the lease, sometimes you can get a lower payment, but on certain cars, common misconception, that might not be the case. However, some it is, and it just really depends. And what it does afford you is flexibility. So if you like to switch up your car every few years, then that might make more sense. But also, some cars hold their value well, and depending on the loan package you secure, you might have a lower payoff on your finance transaction than what the residual you can buy the car out for at the end of the lease is. So it really depends on a lot of things that come into play. But really, if you don't drive a lot, you switch up your car every few years, lease might make more sense. And even if you do, it still might not. It is confusing, but we do our best to make it not so. And if you have any questions regarding what might make more sense for you, shoot us a call or stop by today. We do have some exciting lease programs, and relative to the market, we do have some very competitive interest rates available from our partnered lenders. So whatever we need to do to help you make the best decision for you and your needs, just shoot us a call or stop by today.